After the age of 35, muscle mass begins to decrease in most adults according to Harvard Medical School. At the age of 60, the rate of decrease can double. While this decrease is natural, it can affect their day-to-day life in a multitude of ways. Many seniors find it difficult to leave their homes, leading to a lack of socialization and increased risk of depression. Reduced mobility also leads to instability and makes falls much more likely, which can lead to injury and further health complications. Maintaining independence for day-to-day tasks is a struggle for many seniors due to decreased mobility. According to the National Library of Medicine, 1/3 of those over 70 and over half of senior citizens over 80 have mobility issues. Our group began researching on how both mobility is affected as we age and products that already exist to mitigate these challenges. Of all the products available to help the elderly, the cane is arguably the most common. Decreased strain on the legs given by a cane can greatly increase the mobility and stability of seniors. While this simple invention is quite effective, it only increases the mobility associated with walking. We brainstormed ideas for solutions which are more encompassing. We found elderly people also struggle to reach for objects which are either on the ground or on a high shelf. The process of bending down to pick up a dropped item can be quite strenuous for many seniors, and many use grabbing assistant tools to help.
We present to you the solution, the FAS. Here you go, old man.
Thank you.
Our team brainstormed many ideas to create the ultimate assistance tool and found that with the use of a multiple point cane for our design, we were able to incorporate a grabbing tool through the legs of the cane, much like the claw on a claw machine. The Functional Assistance Stick, or FAS, combines the stability and mobility aid of a traditional multi-point cane and the functionality of a grabbing tool to create a product which provides safety and convenience to those who need it. The FAS is made up of 3 main components: the bottom assembly, top assembly, and main shaft. The bottom assembly includes the base piece and legs with a system of cables connecting each leg to control the grabbing motion of the claw. The upper assembly contains the handle and lever for the claw. This part was designed with comfort and practicality in mind, as it's the user's main point of contact. The main shaft is a durable PVC tube through which the cable system feeds. The cable system has an adjustable connector between the 3 leg cables and the lever cable, allowing for tension adjustment to ensure the claw feels and operates the best it can.
Starting at the top tier, we opted for a more ergonomic design, which also stays lightweight and strong. And then coming down here, our trigger, which was very important to us because other designs had a smaller trigger which would be troublesome for older people with arthritis. So this really eases the joints. And then we have a simple rail system coming down here which guides the lever, and then we can just retract the claw and which gets brought back as well.
The base consists of 4 main 3D printed parts. We have 3 legs and then a base piece which attaches into the main shaft. The legs attach to the base piece here through partially threaded screws so that there's less friction when it's moved. And on the outside, each leg has its own spring, which just allows for recoil when the lever is pressed so that it fully forms back into shape for walking. The base, this outside wall here, acts as a stop so that the legs don't splay out too much while walking. And then underneath, you can see we have the 3 attachment points for the cables, which is how they're threaded through. And then on the bottom there, we have little depressed sections which hold our ceramic disc magnets, and these just work to provide a little more protection for wear and tear as opposed to plastic on the ground. And then they also work to pick up small metal parts that were dropped. With the help of the Functional Assistance Stick, senior citizens can maintain their independence in a safe and convenient manner.